1 large potato, about 350 grams. Grate the potato from the small eye of the lantern. After this recipe, you will definitely not need to fry potatoes. Make sure to save this recipe that is incredibly delicious and easy. Wash the starch of the potato thoroughly. One fresh onion and 1 pinch of parsley. Finely chop the fresh onion. We also cut the parsley finely. My name is Tugba. I live in Turkey. Where are you from? "100 grams cheddar cheese. I grate cheddar cheese. One egg. One cup milk. Salt and pepper. If you like to try new things in the kitchen, I recommend you try this potato recipe. You can also add your favorite spices. 2 tablespoons olive oil. 1 teaspoon chili flakes. Add the juice of the potato. If you want to have breakfast or dinner, it is very nice. Mix well. I wonder if this is your first time seeing my channel. One cup flour. 1 teaspoon baking powder. Add flour and mix well. Your comments are very valuable to me. I read them all one by one. I set the fire at medium temperature and put the pan on it. Lubricate the pan thoroughly. Put 2 small scoops from the dough you prepared and spread it in the pan. It is very easy and incredibly delicious. Please cook controlled. Cook both sides thoroughly. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for my new videos. 2 tablespoons of yogurt. 1 clove of garlic. Some dry mint. Mix well. Delicious potato buns ready to eat. You can serve by slicing. Apply some sauce and eat with pleasure. Thank you so much for watching.